Here is another video I thought you might find helpful, and it has to do with the cost of the hand railing. And I know that some of these parts are just out of sight. They are ridiculous. But I understand if you have to have a certain look, go for it. But for those of you who want to save a few dollars, stick around because you can replace the wood with drywall and some framing. So for example, this is probably going to be the most expensive handrail or guardrailing system, depending upon what type of wood you're going to use, of course, for a stairway. However, you can always get rid of one of the sides by building a wall, or take it another step further and get rid of both of them and have the stairway going up in between two full height walls. Another option, even though it might not be as cheap as the one I just provided you with, would be to have a shorter framed wall so that you could use shorter balusters and newel posts that might be a little cheaper. And I think the cheapest design out of all of these would be to install a guardrail that is not going to be a full height wall. And I'll leave it up to you as to whether or not you want to install one of these on one side or do this on both sides of the stairway, if it will be possible. Keep in mind that the upper floor framing or other parts of the house framing might play a major role in which one of these you're actually going to be able to use. And there you have it, a few more things for you to think about if you want to save a few dollars on your next project. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.